Hey, what's up guys? Jose here at shredded.com. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Mini D handlebar by Curls in the Rack. Now this is a smaller version of D handlebars that you've probably seen out there. This one's 14.5 inches long, 3/16 of an inch in thickness, and it's made out of solid steel. This one, of course, is powder coated, but you do have the option to select it with bare steel, and there's about 5 or 6 different colors. Now this one is small. Small, I like it. It has a hole in the center here for a carabiner. As you can see, it's angled, and then it has 3 different holes on each side. So you have 3 different grip widths that you can adjust this to. So very simple to use. You simply clip it on to any cable pulley system like the one I have here, and then you insert whatever handle you want to use on here. You can use a variety of handles. So as long as you can clip it with a carabiner or even use the Angles 90 grips, then it's good to go. You can do D handles, you can do ninja holds, you can do triceps cable ropes. So you have a lot of versatility there. Now as far as adding a handle to this, use a carabiner, clip it on, get another one, and you do the same thing. That's all there's to it. Then you can do any type of exercise you can think of. So I'm going to show you quickly a triceps extension exercise here. And you can just take it off, and I can take it over to a non-pulley cable machine. This is the Anchor Trainer. Same thing, I can clip it onto the carabiner right in the center, and then I can go and start my exercises on this as well. So as far as exercises go with this thing, there's a lot of versatility. You can use this for triceps extensions. You can use it for bicep curls, overhead triceps extensions. There's a whole multitude of exercises you can use this for. But the main advantage of this is that if you have one cable machine, you can do 2 armed exercises with 1 cable instead of having 2 cables for each arm. So that's a big advantage there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you just a different variety of exercises you can do with it, so you can see how versatile it is. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the Mini D handlebar. Number 1 pro is that I can do bilateral exercises with just 1 cable machine. So if I only have 1 cable, I don't have 2 cable machines, then I can attach the D handlebar, and then I can do 2-handed exercises from 1 cable. So that's a big plus there. Another pro about this is that it's made out of solid steel, 3/16 of an inch in thickness. So this is going to be durable, and it's also powder coated, so it's going to prevent rust, especially in a garage gym environment. Another advantage to having one of these is that you have variable grips or widths. You have one here in the center, another one right next to that, and another one all the way out. So it's very adjustable. Another advantage of this, another pro, is that I can attach multiple types of handles to this. I can attach anything with a carabiner like a D handle. I can attach ninja holds. I can attach the Angles 90 grip. So it has a lot of versatility as far as handles go, and as far as exercises go, the same thing. It's very versatile. Another thing I like about this is that I can store this without taking up a lot of room in my garage gym. So I'm going to take off the carabiners here, take it off the cable machine, and then what I like to do is I grab a hitch pin, and then I insert the hitch pin into one of the holes, and then I insert that into my rack, so it's not taking up any extra room. It sits right there, right on my rack, unlike a large lat pull-down bar that takes up a lot of room. So this one, very small, very compact. It's not going to take up a lot of room. Now the only con I have about this is that I won't be able to do any wide grip work. So because it's very narrow, 14.5 inches in length, then I'm not going to be able to do anything that has a wide grip. But I can still do a lot with this length. I can do seated rows, triceps pushdowns, triceps overhead extensions, a lot of exercises with this length. So that's all I have for you. If you have any questions about the Mini D handlebar, let me know in the comments section below. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. And then if you want to pick up a Mini D, check the link below this video in the description. That first link is going to be shredded.com/Mini D. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.